This is the solution to problem 39 from homework 7.2. And here we're asked to verify the identity sine t times cosecant of the quantity pi over 2 minus t equals tangent t. We're going to work with the left-hand side of the equation because that looks more complicated. And a clue as to what we might want to do is by looking at the argument of cosecant, which is pi over 2 minus t. So we should be thinking about some of those cofunction identities, namely here cosecant of pi over 2 minus t is equal to the cofunction, which is secant of t. So we can go ahead and make that substitution on the left hand side of the equation. So we have sine t, and then we can replace cosecant pi over 2 minus t with secant t. And now I'm going to try to write everything in terms of sine and cosine to see if that'll help. So I have sine t, secant t using the reciprocal identity is the same thing as 1 over cosine t. And now we have sine t over cosine t. And by the quotient identity, we know that sine t over cosine t is tangent t, and we verified the identity.